Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 14 easy Linux terminal commands. Firstly, I'm going to print my current working directory. Okay. Now I'm in the root volume. Let's create a test directory. Let's check by listing all the directories and files using ls command. Okay. Now the test directory has been created. Let's go to the test directory using change directory command. Let's create a text file using the touch command. Okay. Now we are going to insert few lines into this text file. This is the prompt where we type whatever lines we want to insert into this text file. Okay. Let's print the text file using the cat command again. Okay. Now we are going to search the like word in this text file. As you can see, the line which matches the like word will get printed. Cat command usually displays the entire text file. But if we want to see particular lines, number of lines, we can use head and tail commands. Head command displays the starting of the file, whereas tail command displays the ending of the file. By default, they display 10 lines, but we can input the number of lines it should display. Suppose, okay, now I have given n value 1, so it displays first line. Similarly, okay, this displays the last line. Okay, now we are going to remove the text file. Delete. Okay, let's see by displaying. Okay, now we are going to go back and we'll remove the directory test. Okay, uh, we cannot delete the directory without deleting the files using the remove directory command. But we can use remove -r, then we can delete the non-empty directories.